Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello and welcome. In this video, I will explain how to set up a Kegerator. First, gather all your components, including the Kegerator unit, a carbon dioxide tank, a regulator, a coupler, and your chosen keg. Find a clean, level space for your unit, ensuring adequate ventilation around the back. Carefully unbox everything, checking for any damage or missing parts. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient setup process, getting you closer to enjoying fresh draft beer at home. Next, let's connect the carbon dioxide tank. First, attach the regulator to the tank valve, ensuring a snug fit. Use a wrench to tighten the connection firmly, but do not over-tighten, as this can damage the washer. Once secure, slowly open the tank valve and check for any audible leaks. Finally, adjust the regulator to set the pressure between 12 and 15 pounds per square inch, which is ideal for most standard beers, ensuring a perfect pour every time. Now it is time to tap the keg. Carefully place your keg inside the Kegerator cabinet. Ensure it is centered and stable. Take your coupler and align it with the keg valve. Push down and twist clockwise until it locks into place with a satisfying click. Double-check that both the beer line, which goes to the faucet, and the gas line, coming from the regulator, are securely attached to the coupler. This step is crucial for proper beer flow and carbonation. Congratulations, you are ready for your first pour. Slowly open the faucet handle all the way to dispense your beer. If the beer pours too foamy, try reducing the pressure by 1 or 2 pounds per square inch. If it pours too slowly, slightly increase the pressure. Always check all connections for any leaks if you encounter persistent issues. Enjoy your perfectly chilled, freshly poured draft beer from your new Kegerator. Cheers to many enjoyable pours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.